I recreated the meat pie I used to buy in secondary school. The crust is so crispy on the outside that I could eat it all by itself. I always looked forward to break time just so I could buy them because they're so good. Let me show you how I did it. Let's start with the dough. To your bowl, add 2 cups of sifted flour. Its equivalent is 250 grams of flour. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Mix this properly till well combined. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Here I have 1 cup of water, that's 250 ml, but I'm not going to add it all at once. I'll add the water little by little. So go in with your hands and mix this properly. You're going to mix till a dough starts to form. Keep adding water little by little till a dough is formed. Don't add your water all at once because we don't want to end up with a very wet dough. We want our dough to be just okay. We don't want it to be too sticky. So this is what is left from my 1 cup of water. I didn't use the whole thing, so I'll say I used roughly 3/4 cup of water. Keep on kneading this. Knead this a bit longer, just for about 1 or 2 minutes. By the time you're done, your dough should look like this. It shouldn't be sticky at all. It should be soft but not sticky. Place it back in your bowl, cover this and let it rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. So here we have our beef. It's cooked beef. It's seasoned and cooked till just soft. I'll transfer everything into my blender and I'm going to pulse this for just a few seconds till it's shredded, just like this. You can use a fork to shred it if you prefer, but I always like to use the pulse function of my blender because it's easier and faster that way. To a pan, add in some oil. Add some onions. I use lots of onions. You can use less if you want to. You can add your chopped ginger and garlic, but I used mine in powdered form. Season these however you want to. I added some curry. I added seasoning cube. You can add whatever spice or whatever seasoning you prefer. I added a bit of paprika. Stir this on for a bit till well mixed. I added some chopped scotch bonnet pepper. If you don't like it spicy, you can skip the pepper. Mix this properly, then add your shredded beef. Mix this properly till well combined. Let it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. When it's all done, transfer to a container for it to cool down properly. At this point, our dough is done resting, and after about 15 minutes, this is what we have. It's gotten softer, it's really stretchy. I'll just knead this on a bit for just about a minute to get even more smoother. And then I'll roll it again into a long log, just like this. Then I'll cut. I'm going to cut into 7 pieces. If you want it smaller, you can cut into about 10 pieces or more. And if you want it even larger, you can cut into maybe 6 pieces. Depends on how big or how small you want it. So I'll roll each and every one of them into a ball like this. I'm going to pinch like this to secure, then roll in my palm till it forms a round shape, just like this. So I'll just repeat the process with the rest of them. I'm doing this so that I can achieve a really smooth dough when it's time to roll them. So go on and roll just like this. So here I'm done rolling them. Here is all 7 of them. I'll take 6 aside. I'll place them in my bowl and cover it so it doesn't get dry. I'll add some flour and roll this. Roll it to the thickness you want. If you want your pie crust to be very thin, you're going to roll this very thin. But if you want it on the thicker side, don't roll it this thin. Roll it a bit thicker than this. I'll go on and keep rolling till I exhaust everything. Keep repeating the process. Roll this flat and place them on each other. Before placing, make sure to sprinkle some flour before placing them on each other so it doesn't end up sticking together. So keep repeating the process. Roll, sprinkle some flour, place one on the other. Roll, sprinkle some flour and place one on the other. I'm going to use a cover like this to cut. I'm going to trim it off so they are of the same size. It's optional. If you don't mind the size, you can just leave it without trimming. To a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of flour and some water. I'm going to form a paste. Okay, this paste I'm going to use to seal the pies. Keep watching. So I'll take one of the dough like this and keep the rest aside. I'll use my brush and take some of the paste and just spread it around the edges. Spread it around the sides just like this. Make sure it touches everywhere to avoid your pies opening up while frying. So here's our filling. It's properly cooled now. I'll take a reasonable amount, add it in just like this. Fill it up however you want to. Then cover. Use your fingers to press down to secure, to prevent it from opening up. Just press down properly. Then take a fork. Here I added a bit of flour so it gets easier. So press down like this. And that's it. Then poke holes at the top like this to leave room for it to breathe in the oil. And that's it. And you can go on ahead and repeat the process till you exhaust everything. Let's do it one more time. So take one of the dough, add the paste like this. Make sure it touches everywhere to prevent opening up. Add your filling, enough. Cover carefully. Then use your fork, press down properly to secure this to prevent opening up in the oil. Then poke holes at the top, 1, 2, 3, and that's it. Easy peasy. Make sure to sprinkle flour on your tray before placing them on so that it doesn't end up sticking. At this point, our oil is already hot. Then you can go on ahead and fry. Make sure to fry this till golden and crispy. Trust me, you enjoy it better that way. The crispier, the better. At this point, I was so excited because I've missed these meat pies for a long time. It's been a long time since I ate these meat pies like this way, both with the filling and with the crust. So I was really excited while trying this out. The aroma was so good. So when it's golden brown to your preference, carefully take it out and repeat the process. Fry till golden brown, then carefully take it out. I love this puffy thingy at the top. It means it's really crispy. Place them in a paper towel to strain out excess oil, and that's it. That's how to make delicious fried meat pie, and it's so good. Would you be trying this? Leave me a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one.